Do you often feel overwhelmed or anxious? You're not alone. Stress is a common experience for many of us. It's that physical and mental tension you feel when you're faced with change. It's your body's way of telling you that you're under pressure. You see, our bodies have evolved a system that warns and prepares us for change and danger. This is known as the fight-or-flight system. When you're under stress, this system kicks into high gear. It makes you more alert, accelerates your heart rate, and prepares your body for action. Your muscles might tense up, you might start to sweat, and your mouth may go dry. Some of us might even experience an upset stomach, a change in appetite, or the onset of a tension headache. These are all signs of stress in action. But remember, stress cannot be eliminated, but it can be productive if you learn to handle it effectively. But how do you know you're stressed? Let's talk about the signs of stress. Stress causes anxiety, which is healthy in small doses because it motivates you. But over time, this anxiety can accumulate, leading to a state of crisis. This can manifest as a series of seemingly small things that make you increasingly anxious and nervous. Physical symptoms of stress can include muscle tension, headaches, back pain, insomnia, and high blood pressure. Stress also leads to behavioral changes. You might find yourself increasingly irritable, aggressive, or even withdrawn. You might struggle to make decisions, concentrate, or find the energy to go about your day. In extreme cases, stress can lead to drastic impulses or even suicidal thoughts. It's important to remember that stress is not just a state of mind. It can increase your risk for serious health conditions like heart disease, high blood pressure, diabetes, and more. Ignoring these signs can lead to serious physical and mental health issues, so it's important to recognize them. Stress isn't just a one-time event. It builds up over time, and its effects can be harmful. Picture this. Stress is akin to adding weight to a backpack. At first the load is manageable, yet, as we keep adding more and more weight, the burden becomes heavier, and we begin to struggle. This is precisely how stress behaves. It's both additive and cumulative. Every worry, every anxiety, every sleepless night, they all add up until a state of crisis is reached, and symptoms start to appear. From minor nuisances like headaches and muscle tension to more severe symptoms like heart disease, high blood pressure, and even cancer, the potential health impacts of prolonged stress are wide-ranging and significant. In essence, stress is not just about feeling overwhelmed or anxious, it's a silent enemy, slowly chipping away at our well-being. Unchecked, these symptoms may lead to physical illness and sometimes death. But don't despair. There are ways to manage your stress effectively. The first step is being realistic about what you can and cannot do. Overambitious goals often lead to unnecessary stress. Next, make sure you're getting enough sleep. A regular, consistent sleep schedule can do wonders for your mental health. Let's not forget about emotional control as well. Ask yourself if the situation truly warrants the stress you're feeling. Don't let minor inconveniences dominate your emotional landscape. Another important aspect is seeking out social support. Spend time with people who uplift you and don't hesitate to discuss your fears or concerns with them. And remember, alcohol and drugs are not your friends when it comes to stress management. Last, but certainly not least, engage in physical exercise. It's a proven stress buster, but remember not to overdo it. Remember, stress is a part of life, but it doesn't have to control your life. With these strategies, you can manage your stress effectively and live a healthier, happier life.